How does your roof project your home or business premises? Does it say dependable and strong, or weak and unreliable? At Plusworld, better roofing means everything from design and installation to repair and restoration. Our skilled staff with design expertise can save you money from the onset and help extend the life of your roof, while our roofing products are of the highest quality to ensure that your roof can stand the test of time. We offer state-of-the-art HydroSeal waterproofing system which waterproofs any roof surface and prevent leakages. Plusworld Roofing also offers restoration of stone-coated and aluminium roofs using the reliable NewTech paint. Be it personal home, warehouse, or industrial space, we provide a customized approach in solving your roofing problem. Call us now on the following numbers on your screen. Plusworld Roofing.
Why re-roof when you can restore?